How to verify your identity on WeChat Pay. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Pay and Services. Then click on Wallet at the top right. At the bottom, you'll find ID info. Click on ID info, which will lead you to this page, which is Verify Identity. Click on Verify Now. Select your ID type. As you can see, for Chinese mainland, for Hong Kong, for non-Chinese citizens, you can simply select password. Then you can enter your name, gender, password number, country, region, ID effective date, expiration date, address, occupation, and then press on next, and everything will be verified after WeChat reviews it. And this is how to verify your identity on WeChat Pay. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.